I think I'm feeling better.
I had the best night's sleep. Morning already?
Surfing on the net can be tricky. We'd better be in good shape.
Yeah, I'm getting tired. Round the block and back. I'm excited. I need some coffee. Done. Time to go.
Oh, wait up, stereo. I think I'll retire too.
Sounds like a good idea.
Hang around outside. Ah, my paper. I wonder what's happening on the earth today. Now quit.
Time for bed.
Hey, 98, 97, 96, 95, 85, 83. Oh, well, I hope this thing works.
Well, this is a peaceful environment where you can get all the rest and relaxation one would ever need.
Well, that's good, because I could sure use a little shut-eye. I haven't